We'll get that side because when we're in.
Traffic stopped and I was like, what are you doing?
Mate, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Osprey. Please listen very carefully to the following safety announcement. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you will hear a continuous ringing of the ship's alarm bell. Additionally, the master may make an announcement over his public address system. Remain calm and proceed to assembly points 1 or 2, located on B deck at either end of the main passenger lounges. I say again, assembly points are on B deck at either end of the main passenger lounges. Assembly points are clearly marked by a green sign depicting a family group. Should it become necessary, the ship's crew will issue luggage jackets and evacuate the vessel down the corridor marked by the flashing exit signs. This vessel is equipped with lifeguards and May we remind you that passengers are not permitted onto the car deck during the voyage. Thank you for your attention.
Good morning everyone, on behalf of the captain and crew I'd like to welcome you aboard the Red Osprey. I've been working on the Red Falcon too long, it keeps on throwing me out. Our crossing time to Southampton is around 1 hour, arriving around 11:30. Please take extra care walking around the ship today, especially on our stairways and the outer deck. In addition, we ask passengers travelling with children to keep an eye on them and not allow them to wander around the ship unsupervised. Our onboard outlet leaves fuel now available, good selection of air items, various drinks and food including hot food. And towards the back end of the food and the bar things, various snacks and drinks, including alcohol. Heading out to the upper deck and out to the front end of our pet friendly area. We do ask passengers travelling with pets to use this area on the upper deck. As you can upgrade with us today. Signature lounge is the back end on that upper deck. Heading to the crew members receiving for that.